Hi everyone, this is Digital Abhi and today I am going to discuss what is technical SEO and the different aspects and elements of technical SEO. Let me tell you, I have created a playlist where I am sharing the basics of SEO or search engine optimization. I am putting this playlist in the I button above, so make sure you check it out. Now let's bounce back to the question, what is technical SEO? As you would have already guessed by the name, it refers to the technical aspects of SEO like site structure, page speed, broken links, etc. And why is it important? Since it is a part of SEO, so obviously it helps you to rank higher in the search results. But other than that, it also helps search engines in understanding the technical aspects of your website. You can use tools like Ubersuggest to analyze the technical factors of your website. So what are these technical aspects which affect the technical SEO of our website? The first step is to create an XML sitemap of your website. And what is a sitemap? It is like a roadmap that tells search engines where each of the pages is located on your website. You can think of a sitemap like an index of a book. Just like in the book, we have an index at the beginning or at the end which tells about the topics of the book. Similarly, a sitemap is also like the list of the contents of your website. This helps search engines to understand your website even better. In WordPress, you can use Yoast SEO plugin to automatically create XML sitemaps for your website. Once you have created a sitemap, you need to submit it in the Google Search Console. For this, you need to create an account on Google Search Console and verify the ownership of your website. And what is this thing called Google Search Console? It is basically a web service by Google which allows you to index your website in the Google's database. Through the Google Search Console, you are able to learn and understand why your website is doing good or bad in the organic results. Just like Google Search Console, Bing has Bing Webmaster and Yahoo has Yahoo Webmaster. After submitting the sitemap, Google starts collecting the data about your website with the help of its crawlers. So the next technical aspect is that your website should be crawlable and indexable. Search engines use crawlers to read the content of your website. Then they index that content into their database, and depending on the quality of your content, they rank your website. So you need to make sure that your website is easy to crawl and index. And how to do that? For this, you need to create a robots.txt file. If you are a WordPress user, you can easily do that with the help of Yoast SEO plugin. The next point is website architecture. The structure of your website should be simple so that users can easily navigate through it. It simply means that user experience on your website should be good. To ensure a good user experience, your website should also be responsive. It means that your website should be mobile friendly and it should adjust its interface according to the screen size. This factor is very important. Why? Because more than 60% of the searches are done through mobile devices, and you can use Google's mobile friendly test tool to check if your website is responsive or not. After that comes structured data and rich snippets. They are pieces of code that help search engines to understand your content even better. A great example of this is star ratings and question answer snippets. There are a lot of WordPress plugins which you can use for this. The best part of these rich snippets is that they are visually appealing. So they increase your chances of getting a click on the search engine's results page, thereby helping you to rank higher and higher. The next step you need to take is removing dead pages and broken links. If you are linking to a page that no longer exists, so make sure you remove that link or redirect it to another relevant page. If your user is redirected to a 404 page, it gives a negative signal and a negative impact, and thereby hurting your website rankings. The next factor is security. Make sure that your website is HTTPS enabled. It means that your website should have an SSL certificate. Basically, SSL stands for Secure Socket Layer. It indicates that your website is secure for the users. You can get a free SSL from Cloudflare. And the last factor is website loading speed. A fast loading website means the user don't have to wait much longer to get his or her query resolved. Hence, a good user experience means higher rankings. You can use tools like Google PageSpeed Insights, GTmetrix, and Ubersuggest to check the page speed of your website. Some of these technical SEO factors may coincide with on-page SEO factors, but that doesn't mean that they are same. And if you want to grow your business or brand, then you can check out digitallibby.com or shoot me an email at contact@digitallibby.com. So that was all about technical SEO and the different factors affecting it. So that was all for this episode. I hope this episode added some value to your life. If it did, do let me know in the comment section. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any doubts, you can let me know in the comments. Also, you can connect with me on social media. All my social media handles are mentioned in the description below. Stay happy, stay blessed.